Number one, door-to-door sales. A typical day for me would start off like this. Wake up call at 5 a.m., work out from 5:30 to 8 a.m.-ish, team meeting at 9 o'clock to drill objections, go over questions from the day before. Then we would drive out to area, and this could take up to 2 hours because we were driving around to small towns in Alabama, which is where I worked for about 7 months. We'd get dropped off and we'd start hitting doors for the next 7 to 8 hours. And once you got dropped off, you were completely on your own for the rest of the day. Then we get picked back up, drive back to where we were staying, go to sleep, and then rinse and repeat that 6 days a week. We only got Sundays off. Keep in mind, it's 90 to 100 plus degree heat every day since we're in Alabama in very high crime areas. I had guns and knives pulled on me and cops called on me many times. It was like a scene out of Grand Theft Auto some days. That was my life for the next 7 months between March to September, and it was brutal. Now, you're thinking right now, Tanner, this sounds terrible. Why would I want to do this? Because the sales skills you will learn along the way will prepare you for the rest of your life.